We are awaiting the finalizing of an Iowa Supreme Court decision. Now, that decision, which came 3 weeks ago today, reversed a 2018 decision stating Iowans had a fundamental right to an abortion. Local 5's Mary Sugden joins us to explain the major change that will go into place once that opinion is finalized. Mary.
Yes, Samantha, today was the first day the Supreme Court's 2018 reversal could have been finalized. However, as of right now, that document hasn't been filed by the courts. Now, when it does get filed, Iowans who want an abortion will be required to wait 24 hours after their initial appointment to get one.
So there's always that short period of time from when the ruling is to when it's an absolutely final order of the court.
Abortion law expert Sally Frank says before a Supreme Court decision is finalized, the parties involved can ask justices to reconsider, something Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds did, asking justices to rehear the case under a different legal standard called rational basis.
And she wanted the Iowa Supreme Court to say, any abortion regulation has to only pass rational basis. So it's a very loose test. Almost nothing is unconstitutional under it.
If the Supreme Court would have granted this, Frank says it would have cleared the way for more restrictions to come easier and quicker.
And then the legislature would know that they could pass bans and that those bans likely would be upheld. That's, I think, what she really wanted. It wasn't about the 24 hours. It was about clearing the way for the legislature to ban abortion.
The High Court denied Reynolds' request, meaning the 24-hour waiting period will be sent back to a Johnson County district judge to consider again, something that will take time.
The district court will make a ruling. One side or the other will clearly and obviously appeal. And eventually, I expect the Iowa Supreme Court to agree to hear the case.
Now, we know that this is complicated, so let's go back over what you need to know. Now, once the recent Supreme Court reversal is finalized, the 24-hour wait period will immediately go into effect. At the same time, it sends the 24-hour wait period back to a Johnson County district court. Again, Frank believes whatever that court decides will likely get appealed to the Supreme Court. Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.
Thank you, Mary. A lot to unpack there. You can be sure to stay with Local 5 as this all develops. Now, Planned Parenthood of the Heartland says it's already implementing the 24-hour waiting period. We reached out to Governor Reynolds' office for a comment. We've not yet heard back. While Reynolds ultimately got what she wanted with the 24-hour waiting period, she's also asking Iowa courts to lift the injunction against her fetal heartbeat bill, which would ban abortions at 6 weeks. Now, that's often before women even realize they are indeed pregnant. A district court judge struck down the heartbeat bill in 2019, citing a previous Supreme Court ruling in 2018.